Hello Slingshot world, YouTube community. This is Eric out in Stockton. Just doing a follow-up to my last video where I was saying I was going to install a few more carbon fiber pieces and some accessories on my 2018 Polaris Slingshot. Well, today is that day. Also, Happy New Year's to you and your family, and may you have a blessed and safe New Year. Alright, let's move on with this video. Okay, this is my 2018 Polaris Slingshot S model. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today, if you look at your hood of my Slingshot, this is standard on every Slingshot. As you see in the center, you have this graded black textured material that's in the middle of the hood. There's an alternative for that if you don't like that. Also, you see these hoops, not the hoops, the textured black panels here on either side of the Slingshot, and the gas cap filler, and this hoop here. I think it gives it a very nice, distinctive look, a little more racy, a little more sport oriented, and looks wise. Does nothing for performance, but anyway, that's black plastic texture. I think I can do a little better than that. Without any further ado, okay guys, this is a heat extractor for the Polaris Slingshot hood. For that front section, it had the black textured plastic. I don't know if you can see through the plastic here, but this is carbon fiber. This is carbon fiber, but it also has a Lexan. You see like the clear spaces, Lexan clear window. So if you were to be running LED lights under your hood or any kind of lighting, it would show through. Or even if you had like painted valve covers, it would show through. Give it a very cool, very nice vibe, very nice. Also, to replace those humps that you saw in the back that I showed you a minute ago, this is carbon fiber. Both of these pieces comes as a kit for the left and the right side of the Slingshot, and they were purchased at slingmods.com. So it's www.slingmods.com. I am not paid. I'm not a sponsor through these guys. You know, I mentioned them a lot in my videos, but I purchased a lot of stuff for my Slingshot through these guys. They're very knowledgeable. They've always been helpful and polite, and my products have arrived speedy. So that's enough for me. If that's what you're looking for, give these guys a call. Fair prices, and they have everything that you need for your Slingshot. Also, now this piece here, this is sold at slingmods.com, but it's a tough skin product. So Tough Skin, they make a lot of carbon fiber overlays for the Slingshot. They do various bikes like for the Can-Ams and the Rikers, the Spiders, different things. But anyway, we're going to move on with installation. So I'm going to pause up and get my camera set up, tripod set up. Okay guys, the first thing that's going to need to be done, you have some very specific hardware that came with this particular part of the hood extractor. This is very simple. You couldn't get any simpler. Also, you will be using, make sure I got the correct one, a T15 head to put this on. And this is going to be very simple. Literally, I'm going to take these two screws, one here, as you see the barrel assembly nut. I'm going to put it on the back and I'm going to tighten it up. I'm going to pause the video for the sake of time. Okay, hope you can see this very well. I'm gonna hold it correctly. This would actually be the correct orientation. See the carbon fiber, which it would lay here, replacing that other piece. But as you see, it is very well protected. Beautiful carbon fiber, the weave. These are the glass inserts that go here. And it's protected from scratching and chipping by this plastic back all the way down. Okay guys, the two nuts, screws that were threaded through. And as you see, you just simply hand tighten these specific barrels here. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to give you a quick explanation of what I'm doing next. As you see, the hood's open. I'm going to walk inside. To hold that extractor on that you were looking at earlier, you literally have one screw here, one screw here. If I'm not mistaken, you're using that T15 hex screw to remove those. Very simple to remove. I'll pause to do that now. Okay guys, after removing those two screws, and there are a couple of little clips here. Little plastic clips that go here. You may have to apply just a little pressure. No tools required. I didn't use anything. You have a little lip up here. Just with my finger, and I pulled up. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. Literally, I have lifted it off. That's the back of the stock plastic. Okay. Again, stock plastic. Carbon fiber. Big improvement. Okay guys, let me pause up and we'll try to go ahead and get this installed.